So in relation to that, we're just discovering new avenues of this crime of human trafficking that we never really realized existed before. And so I'm working with a lot of people around the world who are very, very dedicated on this.
Uh-huh. And again, I ask you, Noreen, anybody that you think would benefit by being a guest on this program, please have them contact me. Be more than
certainly will.
Them on the program, and again, periodic updates from you. I know that you have to be going. I appreciate you again taking the time out. One thing that I saw briefly on your website, which again is www.johnnygosch.com, was a little discussion, profile of a pedophile. What, for those that, obviously for parents, family, real briefly, what is the profile of a pedophile?
The profile of a pedophile is someone who places himself with children as much as possible for the wrong reasons. They're very hard to identify. They take jobs or do volunteer work that places them with children. And in many situations in our country, you do not have to have a background check for some jobs that puts you with children. Yet you would have to go through a background check if you were a delivery person delivering toilet paper to a casino in Vegas.
Right.
So with the pedophiles, watch who your children are with. If they're doing more for your child than you are, ask why. Monitor what goes on. Create an open door policy with your children so that they would feel comfortable telling you if somebody approached them incorrectly. Monitor your children on the internet, making sure that they are not going into sites where pedophiles can make contact with them while you're sitting over on the couch eating popcorn watching a movie. And then the third thing, when you are out, watch people in crowds. Pedophiles get a very animated look in their eyes when they look at children that excite them. Now, most people who are normal look at a little child and they say, oh, isn't he or she cute? A pedophile looks at that child and they are turned on. To be just real frank, that's exactly what happens to them. They are turned on. They look at a child in a different way. And I have interviewed so many pedophiles over the years in prisons, talked with them, learned information from them, that I can go ahead and I can say something like this because I have seen that look in their eyes when they look at little kids. The look is there. And if you watch for it, you'll start to pick up on things that aren't right if truly they're not right.
And I think one thing is parents, I myself am a parent, it's being aware and don't be naive to evil that is out there. And there's no harm in questioning an individual's motives.
That's true. You know, there's a great many people that do good things and work with children and are volunteers that have their heart in the right place.
Right.
No doubt about it. But you still have to be aware that there are people who don't. And to not consider that is quite naive in this day and age.
Yeah, yeah. Well, Noreen, I'd like to thank you again for being a guest on our program today. And please, anytime that you have any information, would like to tell the story, get more information out, please give me a call, contact me, and I'd be more than happy to schedule you on the program.
Thank you so much, Steve. I certainly appreciate it.
And again, just the information, you can get more information with regards to Johnny Gosch case and other information as well at www.johnnygosch.com. And I'd like to thank everyone again for listening in. Human Trafficking, Operation Abolition. And we will continue. Don't know how timely these programs will be, but we will certainly be having additional programs on this subject and dealing with the abolition of the trafficking of humans. Once again, thanks very much for tuning in. Noreen, thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you and talking with you, keeping in contact.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.
Appreciate it. Bye-bye now.